Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Discord. So let's begin. First, access your Discord application. Make sure it is the latest version. Then over here, hover to the gear icon. This will be your user settings. And you will have the very first option, My Account. Now this is where you can change your display name. So as you can see, this is the display name and click over here on the right, which says edit and display name. You can change this to anything you want. So just select backspace, change it up, and then Discord will automatically save the changes for you. So click X, and you should now be able to view it right over here that your display name has successfully changed. So if not, you can simply restart your Discord application, uh, access it again, and the changes should apply immediately. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.